guys, and welcome back to another new vlog. So this is your friend Sid Scooter Life, and I welcome you guys back to another new vlog. So today was the election day, and I'm sure you guys must have voted for someone, or else even I have voted. So you guys can see this is the Phoenix Mall. So right now I am at Kurla. Actually, I'm going to meet my friends Rushikesh, Shubham, then Saurabh. I'm not sure Akash would be there or not. So let's see who all comes. So let's roll. So right now I'm just shouting with an open case. I'm not sure the voice is clear or not, but I'm definitely sure that once I'm riding, you guys won't be able to listen to my voice clearly. So this is like a test. Let's see how the voice comes on. So this is the Phoenix High Street Mall. So actually, there are two malls. So one is this and the other one is at the Lower Parel. So basically the Lower Parel one is awesome one. Even this is also great, but it had its charm a few years back. Now also, I'm not sure many people go there or not. I've been like twice or thrice only. So I'll have to take not this right, but the next one. So they have called me. Basically, they just said over the call that they have some work. So that's why I'm going to meet them. Yeah, so I'll have to take that right. And guys, you guys have just seen my last video or not. So this is the USB charger which I had installed, and I have showed you guys the video. Plus I also installed this parking switch light button just to on that parking lights. Why I have just installed this USB charger? Actually, I just wanted my camera to go on and on especially on rides and all stuff. So that's why I just installed USB charger over here, so that I could be in control of it, and plus the wire would directly go through my shirt and then directly to the camera. So right now I don't have an open case, but I'm planning to buy an open case for my Xiaomi E. So actually my waterproof case, it's just broken, and so I'm using it like an open case right now. I'm not pretty sure how the voice would be. Let's see, sab Bhagwan Bharose hai. Mind you guys, I just shooted my Kala Ghoda festival vlog on this setup only. So I didn't choose any external mic or something like that for this. So I'll continue the later vlog when I meet them. Bye.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Trust me guys, whenever you meet him, ask any question, he will respond to you, because he has a lot of knowledge and experience. Trust me guys. So this was all about yesterday. So we have some pics. You can follow me on Instagram to see them. So I'll mention my Instagram ID, Twitter ID as well. So just follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page for all the updates. So it's time to end this vlog over here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have fun, and most importantly, remember, is ride safe. That was mini Lonavala. See, turning देखा क्या उधर का. चलो, bye guys. यात्री को ध्यान दीजिए, कृपया अपनी सीट की पेटी बांध लीजिए। बिकॉज हम अभी झुकने वाले हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं।
Aside from my soul.